Welcome to the secret world of ant-eating animals, nature's incredible myrmecophages. First, meet the giant anteater. With its long snout and bushy tail, it uses a sticky tongue to scoop ants from the anthill with amazing precision. Next, the pangolin climbs slowly up a tree. Its tough armored scales protect it, as it flicks out its long tongue to catch ants crawling on the bark. Over here, the aardvark digs energetically, using strong claws to break open termite mounds and find tasty insects hidden beneath the soil. In the trees, the colorful antbird hops from branch to branch, pecking at ants and small insects with quick, sharp movements. Nearby, the armored lizard basks in the sun. It carefully stalks ants across the rocks, its scales blending perfectly with the environment. Finally, the frog waits patiently on the forest floor. With lightning speed, it flicks out its tongue to catch a passing ant, to survive by feasting on ants. Together, these amazing creatures showcase nature's incredible adaptations.